it's Nina here, and today I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. Okay, so what I do first is I put this brow conditioning primer by Benefit. You don't have to do this, you can just take a spoolie and brush it. And then after that, I'm gonna go in with my deep brow pomade. This is the one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is what I like using these days. I line the top and bottom part of my brows just very lightly. This is where I decide on what shape I want my brows to be. But right now I'm just following the natural curve of my eyebrows. And then I just blend it into my eyebrows by dragging it down from up here and then up from down here. And then I use this little angled brush and a brown matte eyeshadow to softly fill in the brow. Now with a concealer and concealer brush, I'm gonna clean up my brows. So I go underneath and above the eyebrow, getting as close as I can to the edges. And then I really blend it. Now, I'm gonna take a small flat eyeshadow brush and a powder highlighter. And then I apply this underneath my eyebrow arch and my brow bone. And then if you're not comfortable with here, if you can still see that concealer over there, you can set that with a powder. And then I set my brows with a brow mascara. This one is from ETUDE House Color My Brows. So this is my favorite right now. This is in natural brown. So that's how I do my eyebrows. Very easy. I think it's just a matter of getting used to the pomade. Pencil is still okay. I have the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is really good too. I just wanted to show you how I do my brows because a lot of you have been asking. So yeah, so that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now. Keep smiling. Don't forget to subscribe.